Hello, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. So in our today's video, I'm going to share a few amazing Maybelline New York lipsticks with you, which are just under rupees 90. So do watch out the video till end, and before starting, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to it and like my video. Also share it with your friends. Now without any further delays, let's get into the video. Sensational liquid matte lipstick. As you can see here, you are getting 4 sachet lipstick at just around rupees 360 or 365. So these are basically sachet lipsticks launched by the Maybelline New York. So recently they have started launching all of their products in the sachet format, I guess just to check how much they are sustaining in the market and how much they are getting response for all of their products. So you are getting these kind of 4 sachet lipstick in it. There are 4 shades in it. So basically, if you know this lipstick which is displaying on the screen right now, so this is the same smaller version of the same lipstick. So there are 12 or 15 shades around it. But here in the sachet format, you will just get 4 shades which are perfectly suitable for Indian skin type. So of course ये सैशे हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल होने वाले हैं, बिकॉज फर्स्ट थिंग इज Maybelline New York जैसे ब्रांड का लिपस्टिक आपको जस्ट एट ₹90 में मिल रहा है, एंड दीज आर रियली इजी टू कैरी. बहुत ही स्मॉल सा पैकेजिंग है इसका, इजीली आप पॉकेट में भी कैरी कर सकते हैं. एंड जब हम बड़ा वाला वो जब लिक्विड लिपस्टिक लेते हैं उसमें मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम बहुत ज्यादा वेस्टेज ही हो जाता है. लाइक ऑफ कोर्स बिफोर एक्सपायरी हम पूरा बॉटल तो खत्म कर नहीं पाते हैं. सो इन दैट केस दीज sachet are gonna be really affordable and useful for us. So if you are really crazy for a lipstick, so definitely this is gonna be super awesome for us. And आप बहुत ही कम प्राइस में बहुत ज्यादा लिपस्टिक के शेड्स अब यूज कर सकते हैं. So I think now Maybelline New York should also launch all of their shades in this kind of a form. This is really gonna be very popular. So अगर हम ये चारों शेड्स की बात करें तो इसमें हमें पीच, पिंक एंड थोड़ा सा वाइन रेड काइंड ऑफ कलर आपको इसमें मिल जाता है. So now we are going to see the hand swatch first, and at the end of the video I am also going to share a lip swatch. So बार आपको skip करके वीडियो देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. So do check out the video till end and don't skip any part. So very first shade which I have is NU01 Bare It All. So it is something like this in brown tone, brown nude shade you can say. Now the second shade which I have is NU06, which is this one. It is kind of a pink in tone, and this is the color which I am wearing right now. So this is also again very nice and cool color, and it comes near to the pink shade. Now the third shade which I have is this one, which is the 02 Soft Wine. So this is kind of a wine shade which is comes nearest to brown color. This is also really good and it looks super awesome on the lip. So if once I wear it, you will be able to see that. And the last shade which I have is this one, which is the NU02 Strip It Off. So this is close by to the first shade which we saw, which is the NU01 Bare It All. So this and this color are kind of similar, just this is a bit darker than this one. So ये थोड़ा सा lighter shade में रहेगा and ये थोड़ा सा darker shade में है. So these two are from kind of orange, brown family. Second one is from the peach family, and this one is kind of a wine brownish tone. So basically these are the 4 shades which you are getting at just ₹365. So अगर आप एक शेड काउंट करने जाए तो वो आपको अराउंड 85 to 90 रुपीज में मिल जाएगा, और अगर आप ऑफर में बाय कर रहे हैं so डेफिनेटली ये इससे भी ज्यादा कम में आपको पड़ने वाला है. So if we talk about its expiry and its quantity, so definitely बहुत ही आसानी से आप यूज कर सकते हैं फॉर मल्टीपल टाइम. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक दो बार आपने यूज कर लिया और ये खत्म हो गया, डेफिनेटली नॉट. तो वैसे भी हम जो बड़े लिपस्टिक्स बाय करते हैं वो तो बहुत जल्दी एक्सपायर हो जाते हैं विदाउट इवन फिनिशिंग दैट प्रोडक्ट. सो आई गेस दिस इज रियली अफोर्डेबल एंड रियली यूजफुल फॉर अस. सो इफ यू कैन सी दिस सैशे, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि ये फुल यहाँ तक भरा हुआ है, सो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. If you can see this, popped up part, ये बस यहाँ तक ही इसका filled out है, and its quantity is 2 ml. So these 4 are the matte shades which you are getting. So after applying just in a seconds ये पूरी तरह से matte हो जाता है. If you talk about its fragrance, इसका fragrance थोड़ा सा मुझे like dark लगा. So ये इतना ज़्यादा mild नहीं है, थोड़ा सा इसका strong smell है. So if you are someone who doesn't like very strong smell, then might be you will not like these shades. बट डेफिनेटली दिस स्मॉलर वर्जन यू कैन गिव इट अ ट्राई. अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन बाय आउट सम अदर शेड्स एज वेल. So now we are just going to take one quick transparent waterproof test with it. So ये जो सारे shades हैं वो अच्छे से dry हो चुके हैं. So let's see the first shade. So if you can see, the first shade is kind of transferring. This is the second one. This is also transferring. The third one, okay, this is also transferable, and the fourth one, this is also transferable. So as you can see, these are not transfer proof. So if you're having your meal or if you're eating something, definitely ये lipsticks बहुत ही easily transfer होने वाले हैं. But if you are staying, without having anything, then आराम से ये lipstick 2 to 3 hours तक रह जाता है. But after that, then it will start fading from the center part and from the corners. So this I have experienced also. This is also depend on your skin type. So if it is oily or dry, उसके according भी lipstick कितने time sustain होती है वो depend होता है. So for me it just stays on my lips for complete 2 to 3 hours if I'm not eating anything. या अगर आप कुछ खा रहे हैं या फिर पी रहे हैं, so definitely lipstick बहुत ही easily wipe out हो जाता है, and you of course you'll need a reapplication of it. Now we'll quickly take a water test and let's see whether it is waterproof or not. So I'm just going to sprinkle some water on it. Okay. So as you can see, बहुत easily ये जा तो नहीं रहा है, but थोड़ा सा इसका shade जो है वो fade हो गया है. But yes, of course ये इतना I guess इतना तो हर एक brand में हो ही जाता है. So yes, of course it is waterproof, and if you can see इतने easily ये जा भी नहीं रहा है. So yes, it is a waterproof, but it is not transfer or smudge proof. So please do note down these points. So अगर हम पिगमेंट्स की बात करें तो बहुत ही अच्छी लिपस्टिक है. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड है और बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाइट वेट है. ये बिल्कुल भी पैचेस आपको नहीं लगेगा. बट एज इट इज़ नॉट अ ट्रांसफर प्रूफ, आफ्टर सम टाइम ये थोड़ा सा स्टिकी सा हो जाता है. यू विल फील इट ऑन योर लिप्स इफ यू डू इट लाइक दिस. So even if you can see right now, it will just start sticking each other. So this is the only drawback which I didn't like about this lipstick. Apart from this, बाकी जो भी सारे aspects है, I really loved it and I have really enjoyed all of these 4 shades. So मैंने हर एक shade को try किया है on a separate day, and it really worked pretty well for me. So be it any skin tone, definitely these lipsticks are going to suit your tone very well.